So we'll do a 3/4. For a 3/4 time, you can have a grouping like this. Normally this is 3 crochets in a bar. So this is 3 crochets in a bar, and you could have something like this, 1 minim and 1 crochet. It is still the same thing as 3 crochets in a bar. So you could have something like this also. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could have something like this. So this is still 3 crochets also in a bar. So the division continues. So you could still have something like this too, something like this. So still 3 crochets in a bar. So you could have another time signature such as 3/8. So in 3/8 we are having 3 quiver in a bar. This time not 3 crochets. So we're having 3 quiver in a bar. That's what 3/8 means. 3 quiver in a bar. So which can also be something like this. 3 quiver in a bar. So 3 quiver in a bar can also be something like this. You understand? This is 3 quiver in a bar. So 3 quiver in a bar can also be something like this. Can also be something like this. So this can be a bit tricky grouping, but yeah, I just want to separate them. So let's have it like this. So it can be something like this too, and then it can also be something like this. So it can also be something like this, and then it continues. The different grouping continues. So when you have sorry, you can have something like a 4/4, the very common time where you have 4 crochets in a bar. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it could be this, and it can also be this. 2 minim is the same thing as saying 4 crochets in a bar, and then it continues. There are just lots of ways you can group them. So you can have something like this where you have that note value. That note value is called that's a brave. So you can have 5/4. So different time signatures, and now you should also know that when you're dealing with bars, a music sheet, the first note is usually the strong note. So I'm going to be using the S to represent it. The first note in that bar is a strong note. So this is a strong note. This is a strong note. This is a strong note. This is a strong note of this bar. This is a strong note. The strong note. Strong note. Strong note. Strong note. Strong note. Strong note. So the first note in a bar is a strong note, while every other note that follow is a weak note. So we will be stopping here today. So thank you so much, and then God bless you. Bye bye.